Good evening, family. This is my last video for this evening. I was just out here. Remember, I had showed y'all the white flowers on the cilantro, but now I'm seeing these little green seeds. It's a ton of them. I read up on it, and once they turn brown, they'll be ready to harvest. And I didn't know it was so many. And there's a ton of them. I'm looking forward to this. I want to save some so I can plant for next year. Well, you guys, y'all have a great evening. I hope you've had a beautiful day. Stay safe. Be blessed. Bye, fam.